Indosaw is India's one of the largest manufacturing company in educational science lab equipments. It has a wide range of equipment for making science learning fun. The study of optics kit allows us to study the behavior of various types of lenses and mirrors. As an example, we will study how to find the focal length of convex lens. Items required to perform this experiment are lead matrix box, adapter, meter scale, convex lens, screen, and cylindrical base. Place the meter scale on the table. Mount the cylindrical base into the meter scale, as shown. Insert the lead box into the cylindrical base and tighten the screw, as shown. Connect the power adapter to the lead matrix box. The lead will glow. The pattern in the lead matrix box is now L. We can change the pattern by selecting the left side button or the right-sided button. These buttons are located just above the power socket of the lead matrix. To change the lead matrix pattern, use the thumb wheel button. The numbers on the thumb wheel will indicate the different patterns. Mount two other cylindrical bases on the meter scale. Select the plus sign pattern in the lead matrix. Mount a convex lens and the screen into the cylindrical bases, as shown. An image of the object will be formed on the screen. Slide the convex lens along with the cylindrical base to get a sharp image of the object on the screen. Now measure the distance between the object and the lens with the help of a meter scale. In this case, object distance, U equals 31 cm. Now measure the distance between the lens and screen. In this case, image distance, V equals 58 cm. Calculate the focal length by using the following formula: F equals VU divided by V plus U. In our case, V equals 58 cm and U equals 31 cm. So F equals 20.2 cm. Thank you for watching us. Please stay with us at www.indosawedu.com.